Hey, what's up everyone, this is Lefty Crafty and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be doing unboxing and review of the smart string light. So please stay tuned. Introducing the Quaker Smart String Lights. This item comes with 15 smart light bulbs. With user manual, remote control, and zip ties. Simply scan the QR code to download the Smart Life app. After successfully adding and pairing the device, we are now ready for the light show. You can use these smart string lights both indoor and outdoor with an IP65 waterproof rating. Using the app, you can select different colors and scenes to customize the setup of your string lights. I am absolutely impressed with the smart string lights and I'm giving this a 5-star rating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.